Welcome to Queens County Locksmith. Call us for all your lock and key needs. We have the fastest response time with the latest technology and prepared for any situation. Our trucks are equipped with car keys on the spot. Don't come to us, we'll come to you. We replace house locks, apartment locks, storefront and business locks. We program keys for BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Land Rover, Porsche, Ferrari, Lamborghini, Volkswagen, Audi, and we clone cars' ECUs. We replace ignitions, rekey residential, commercial, or automobile locks, and install high-security locks for homes and businesses. All technicians are licensed. We have an A rating with the Better Business Bureau. We're available 24/7, 365 days a year, offering emergency services, competitive prices, and quick, efficient work. Call or visit our website today. We have the fastest response time in most situations. Queens County Locksmith. Because we care, we're security aware.